1200-meter race is on its way. We have Golden Hands moving up from the outside. He's runner number 8. Top is Stratum. Down on the inside is Batang Bangkal. Wolf of Wall Street is nicking in by the rail as they race towards the half mile pole. 4 runners fighting out for the lead. Wolf of Wall Street takes the lead, moving up in between runners. Golden Hands. Top Stratum moving up on the outside. Then comes Batang Bangkal. Faithful Wife joining them on the outside pip as they race towards the 450. Golden Hands, Wolf of Wall Street, Faithful Wife, pass approaching on the outside. Batang Bangkal, Fire Council arriving at the race tail. We've got cavalry of horses parried out for the lead. We have Golden Hands on the outside. Wolf of Wall Street is viral. Fire Council is sneaking in down on the inside, moving up Batang Bangkal. But it's Golden Hands this time in a 1-2 position, and finally Golden Hands 10-17. Then comes Batang Bangkal, Faithful Wife, Fire Council, Wolf of Wall Street. Okay.